Focusing your chakra into a single point in the accelerated strike creates a unique noise that resembles the sound of 1,000 birds. That's the reason why this technique is called chidori!
So that's the power of chidori.
This jutsu was passed down to me from Kakashi-sensei.
From Lord Sixth?
That's right.
My chakra nature is lightning. Sasuke, for a long time now I've had a suspicion that you may be similar to me. First, I'd like to verify what your chakra nature is. Looks like I may be able to pass my jutsu onto you after all. The unique jutsu of Kakashi the Copy Ninja.